Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be going through this bin of empties. Some of these things are things that I am decluttering out of my collection. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. First thing is this Bath & Body Works body spray in Summer Vanilla. They don't make this scent anymore. They discontinued it and it was my absolute favorite. And I miss it so much. This is like the perfect summer scent. If anybody knows like a dupe for this, please let me know in the comments. I have this 2-in-1. This is like from the dollar store. I had that sitting in my closet, my bathroom for a while. I don't like it at all. It really doesn't lather that much. I mean, it's from the dollar store, so what do you expect? I felt like it left this like kind of film on my hair as well, and it just didn't feel that nice on my hair. But I got rid of that. I have this, dry shampoo from Hask. It is Volumizing Dry Shampoo. I really don't like this spray-on dry shampoo. I prefer the powder, but I got this because it was on sale. It says long-lasting oil absorption, but to be honest, it really didn't absorb much of the oils in my hair. After like a couple hours of use, my hair just kind of looked oily again, so I didn't like it, and it kind of felt heavy on my scalp, so I definitely will not be repurchasing that. I had this body butter by Sol de Janeiro. I got this in a BoxyCharm, I believe, and I liked it. It's nice and thick. I didn't have to use that much. Would I repurchase it? Probably not, but I did enjoy it while it lasted. Then I have this Bedhead Deep Conditioner Mask. Dude, this smelled so good. It has this just nice fresh scent, especially if you were to use it in the morning. It just kind of like wakes you up and gives you energy. I used this back when I had long hair. My hair was like almost down to my butt. I ended up chopping it off, but this was really good to help kind of manage tangles. Then I used up this face wash from Biore. I love Biore products, but I have since gone cruelty-free, so I would not repurchase this. It was really good. It did help my acne. I'd used that for years. Then I have this Pacifica shaving cream. I didn't like this at all. It didn't really lather much, and I felt like I had to use a lot of it, but I didn't think it was worth it, to be honest, so I probably won't be repurchasing that. 2 packs of makeup wipes. These are both from Pacifica. Not impressed. I had to use like at least 2 of these to get my makeup up, and then I still had to really wash my face to remove all my makeup, so it didn't really do a good job as far as removing makeup goes. Probably would not repurchase that. This body butter, this was actually really nice. It was nice and hydrating. It smells really good. This scent is Hawaiian Ruby Guava, another scent that just kind of helps wake you up. Would I repurchase it? Maybe. I don't know. So I used up this Bath & Body Works Beautiful Day Lotion. It kind of has that freshly showered scent, if you know what I mean. I won't be repurchasing that though because Bath & Body Works is not cruelty-free. Then I have this Garnier Blackhead Eliminating Scrub. This is just a small travel-sized bottle. I won't be repurchasing it though. I do have a couple more of those that I need to use up. Then I have this Cover FX Mattifying Primer. I got this in a Ulta Beauty bag. I liked it. It was nice. It did its job. It's mattifying primer. It lasted throughout my 12-hour shift. So would I repurchase it? No, not right now because I do have a lot of primers, but I do like it. If you're looking for a nice long-lasting mattifying primer, then I would really recommend it. Now moving on to the declutter portion of this video, I am getting rid of this It Secret Sauce Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I got this from BoxyCharm. One of my friends used my referral link, so they sent both of us this in the mail. I don't really need like anti-aging moisturizer, so I'm gonna give that to my mom. From BoxyCharm as well, they are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I don't really see the need for these, so I might give these to my sister or a friend. I don't really have bags under my eyes, so that's not something that fortunately I suffer from. I also have this Algenist Advanced Wrinkle Fighter Eye Serum. It's just a small sample size. I got this a sample with an online purchase from Ulta. Don't have any issues with wrinkles or aging, so another thing I'm going to give to my mom. Then I have some lip products that I'm decluttering. I have these 2 e.l.f. matte lip colors. They've just gone bad. They're starting to develop kind of this weird texture on them. They're really nice, so I would recommend. I think I got these at the dollar store. They're really nice and creamy, and they do last a long time on your lips. I won't be repurchasing those, but I do recommend them. I also have another thing from e.l.f. It is their Moisturizing Lipstick. I love this lipstick. It is so nice, so creamy, and it smells good too. It lasts a long time on your lips. It's very moisturizing, so it won't leave your lips looking dry and cracked. Then I have this Revlon lipstick. This is like a nice lilac color, almost mauve. This is in the shade Pink Pout. I do like this formula, but this is old. Got that texture thing going on, so that's how I know it's gone bad. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything from me you want to see in the future, please let me know in the comments section. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me in the future. Bye, guys.